Hi, guys. This is Mr. Schluterman. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to talk to you about the GETS process today. Okay. We're going to go ahead and we're going to fill out the GETS notes. GETS stands for Geography, Economy, Transportation, and Society. And we're going to go ahead and I'm going to have you guys fill out the notes. All right. So let's go ahead and do the notes and dive on in. All right. So when we talk about geography, we're going to do 2-column notes. What does GETS mean? Or write a question below the letters, what I want you to do. Okay. And then on the right side, we're going to be doing all the notes. So here we go. What does geography mean? Geography is the study of the earth, okay, and how it, okay, affects people, okay, people and society. Okay. All right. So you're looking at the world and how it goes. You know, talk about people living in mountains are going to have different lives than people living like in the lowlands or swamps like a Florida. Okay, they'll be living in completely different things. People who live up in Alaska are going to be different than people who are down in Mississippi for that effect. Okay, and I'm just using the U.S. as the example. Okay, examples of this. Okay, we have oceans, like landforms, oceans, lakes, soil. All right. Then over here, okay, so these are things, and we're going to type out climate, okay, and so on. So these are examples of things we look at: mountains, okay, etc. Things that deal with that, weather patterns, all that stuff. The next thing we're going to look at is economy. An economy is the way money is made, okay, for a country. Okay, when we talk about this, we also talk about production, okay, is the creation of goods, okay. Consumption, okay, is the use of goods. Sorry. And trade is buying, selling, okay. One thing that you also need to know here is a GNP is gross domestic product. Okay, this is how much country makes money-wise in a year. Okay. And I'm just going to put exports versus imports. Okay. An example of this would be car production. Okay. Food production. And so on. Okay. Then we go down here and we talk about transportation. Transportation is another way, obviously, we get around. What it means is it's ways of moving people around. I would say people and products around. Okay. An example of this would be cars, buses, and trains. Choo-choo. Always got to go with trains. It's always a good one. Okay. So then the last one is society. So society is Society has a couple things to it here, okay? Society is like population, okay? Culture, okay? And social organizations, okay? The definition, the true definition is a gathering of people, okay? So with this, we talk about this, it's culture, all right? And we talk about beliefs of a society, okay? Values, okay, are part of this. We talk about like schools. How are the schools there? What do you learn from all that? Okay, so these are the kinds of things that we're going to do. And what you're going to do then for the rest of this is you're going to tell me on the left side, what does GETS mean? We know it means geography. We know it means economy. Sorry. Beauty of this is spell check's a wonderful thing, especially because of my horrible typing. Okay, T stands for transportation. Okay, and then S is for society. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and on the left-hand side, I want you to write a question below each letter that pertains to each of these sections to help you remember it. Okay, and go from there. I think that'll be very useful. And then on the bottom, the last part is you're going to use the notes to write a summary of the GETS notes. Okay, so I want you to describe all that, 3 to 4 sentences. Okay. Note here, I'm going to put in parentheses 3 to 4 sentences. Okay. All right, guys. So that's kind of where we're at. Good luck with the GETS process. We're going to be using this and applying this to the study of the Civil War as well as throughout the year. All right. Have a fantastic day.